Let's take a look at these examples. This time we have to convert percent numbers to the fractions. Okay? Now, we said anytime we want to find the decimal number, we have to divide percent by 100%. The same rule we are going to use for fractions. Anytime we want to find fraction, you have to divide percent number by 100%, okay? In order to do not confuse anybody, I want to keep the same formula, okay? So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to divide 250% by 100%. Okay, so simply I'm going to write this like 250% over 100%. Okay, because I have to convert to fraction. Percent and percent will cancel out. Okay, let me do everything step by step. I'm going to have what? 250 over 100. Now, please notice that 250 and 100 are divisible by 50. 250 divided by 50 is 5. 100 divided by 50 is 2. Okay, I got improper fraction. Improper fraction, most of the time I have to convert to the mixed number. That's why I'm going to divide 5 by 2. How many times 2 goes into 5? Twice. 2 times 2 gives me 4. Subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. So that's why I'm going to have 2 and 1/2. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why this is the solution. 2 and 1/2. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have to convert this to the decimals. Anytime you want to find the decimal, I have to divide percent by 100%, but this time I have to convert to fraction. I'm going to use exactly the same rule. That's why I'm going to have 7% over 100%. Okay? So percent and percent will cancel out. I'm going to end up with 7 over 100. Okay? Because I have 7 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator, and I cannot reduce this fraction, this is going to be my solution. Now let's take a look at this example. This time I have 40% over 100%. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out. Okay? And I'm going to have 40 over 100. 40 and 100 are divisible by 20. 40 divided by 20 is equal to 100 divided by 20 is 5. I cannot reduce this fraction further, that's why this is my answer.